morning, students. In the previous class, we have discussed derivation. We discussed derivation of the resultant EMF, resultant internal resistance when the cells are connected in series. Two cells derivation that is important for the 3 marks or can be asked for 5 marks. But in case if you are taking the many cells in series, then what will be the relationship? Many cells contain series E1, E2, E3, and up to En. N cells are contain series. All are in same order. We are taking. All are in same order means EMF in the same direction taken. EMF for the cells is minus to plus. That means EMF indicates the direction of. It is a scalar, but mentioned with the arrow mark indicates. It only indicates the direction of conventional current the cell can provide. Okay. And this EMFs are in the same direction is what they are all sending the current in the same direction. And connected series is connected to external resistance R. Okay, R is parallel to the resultant combination, but R comes in series with the total internal resistances. So internal resistance will be, so total resistance becomes R1, R2, R3 and so on, Rn, and capital R plus if you take no total overall resistance indicates. And total EMF value is equals to E equivalent, total internal resistance value equal to R equivalent. Okay, and voltage across the combination of the external resistance and also these are terminal voltage. Because the is same, V equal to I into R we can check. And resultant relation, you have to take the total EMF. Same direction is there means E1 plus, E2 plus, E3 and so on, En is the equivalent values. So we will take the relationship. Equivalent values, the equivalent is total or you can say resultant. So resultant or equivalent EMF. Resultant electromotive force or equivalent EMF. R equals EMF. R equivalent is resultant or total internal resistance. Equivalent internal resistance. So overall total resistance becomes equal to R plus R. R plus R equivalent is total resistance. In circuit. What is same in this case is current is same. Current I is equals to constant or same for all cells because in series combination all cells in series. When cells are in series, current is same. So relation we are taking for the single cell equivalent circuit, we are taking E equal to I into R plus R total resistance. V equal to I. Ohm's law only we have to use. Not V, but we have to use E because total EMF you have taken, total resistance you have taken. Only V if you have taken means I into R only. Total EMF R is external resistance, V is equal to IR is potential difference across the combination is PD across the combination of cells and across the resistance also same, across the combination also same. So we take the relation is E equivalent equal to, so when you take the values now, get E equivalent is nothing but equal to E1 plus, E2 plus and so on plus En. When the cells are in order, same orders. And R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2 plus and so on plus Rn, total resistance again. And overall resistance is R plus R equivalent. So V equal to IR relationship, and we can also take the relation as E equivalent is equals to I into R plus R equivalent is the relationship. But we can also take the relation as this is the relation required for current. I generally require is current. Expression for the problems they will ask for the problem. Generally they ask problems for the current. I is equals to E equivalent by R plus R equivalent. And E relationship what we can get is EV relationship we can get is E equal to, that means E equivalent is equals to V plus I into R equivalent. It is the relation between E and V. Okay. But if any cell is reversed, for example I take E3 reverse. Whenever E3 reverse, no, in the expression, take that E3 as minus. Any cell is reversed, you take that cell EMF as minus compared to other. If many cells are reversed, then what happens is resultant EMF will be in what direction is the total EMF you have to add 2 volts to 4 volts like that. Which is, if it is a resultant comes positive, resultant will be in the direction of the plus, same direction you will take in the diagrams. Minus comes is current will be in the upper direction. Always larger EMF dominates the direction of the current. Current in the direction of large EMF that you have moved. Next point is, if any cell is reversed, then in the first case all in order we have taken. Second case we take is, if any cell is reversed, then its EMF is taken minus. Its EMF is taken as minus, negative, taken as negative. Example, n cells E1, E2, E3 are connected in series and E2, E3 are taken in reverse order. Let E1, E2 and so on, E3, E1, E2, E3, E4 and so on, En are in series, but E3, E4 are in reverse order. Then E equivalent becomes equal to E1 plus E2 plus and so on, but E3, E4 are negative. So E2, next is this E3 you take minus, E3 minus E4 plus and so on plus remaining En. But R equivalent resistance of the cells, even if what is said is reversed, only EMF has a plus minus sign but not a resistance. Resistance do not have a plus minus, capacitor unless it is electrolytic, you do not have plus minus. So R equivalent becomes equal to total addition of the, don't take minus from the resistances. R equivalent is nothing but equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus only for R3 R4 also plus and so on plus Rn. Then current formula becomes equal to current through the external resistance, I equal to E equivalent by R plus R equivalent only formed by F. And diagram I will go for this. Next is n identical cells. This is very more important for the competitive exams also. Identical cells in series. This is important for even competitive exams and can be asked numericals. Only problems are only problems, please, and see competitive exams very important. Vertical identical means what? Same EMF. Same EMF, same internal resistance. Both are equal. Let first we will take all cells in same order EMF. Let N identical cells, each of EMF E, comma, internal resistance R are in series and in order, are in series with EMFs in the same direction. EMF in same direction we call as a correct order, or just in order. In order, or correct order is same. In order, or correct order. Each EMF is E and each internal resistance is R. Capital R is the external resistance. I is current, total current. V is voltage across the V is PD across R and cell combination also taken. Cells combination. But in all identical cells, EMF same. This is also E, this is also E, E and E. Internal resistances R, total NR, and connected to external resistance cap. Current is I. Potential difference is V across this. V is equals to IR. V equal to IR, so we can take the relationship. So total EMF same direction, just addition only. So E plus E plus E. 2 E's are that means what? 2E. N E's are that means what? NE. So equivalent EMF becomes equal to NE. Total internal resistance becomes equal to NR. And overall resistance becomes equal to N into small r plus capital. Equivalent. Total R resultant EMF. Resultant EMF is E equivalent equal to N into E. Resultant internal resistance. Internal resistance is R equal to N into small. Total resistance circuit. In the circuit is R plus R equivalent, means R plus N. Relation between these is E equivalent. E equal to I into total resistance. Equal to I into total resistance. That means R plus R equivalent. N is. Therefore, current expression for current is important. I is equals to E equivalent by R plus R equivalent. I is equals to E equivalent is nothing but equal to NE by R plus NR. Please remember this relationship. And cases are there, in special cases. Condition is that this probable is you have to remember when cells identical cells are in series of n number. In this, if R is much more greater than NR, approximations we take. External resistance is much greater than that of the internal resistance. Sometimes internal resistance is very small in decimals, less than 1 ohm will be there, 0.1 like that. In such cases, for example, 2 cells you are taking means this NR will be very small compared to outside resistance, say 1 kilo ohms, 2 kilo ohms like that if you have taken high resistance you have taken. Or bulb bulb filament resistance very high if you have taken. So external resistance is very large compared to internal resistance. In such case, what happens here is then what happens is capital R is much greater than NR. So you can neglect the NR compared to this capital R. Then I becomes equal to NE by R. What is this equivalent is? This equals to N times E by R. N times E by R. Okay, but what if reverse? External resistance is very small compared to internal resistance. External resistance is very small compared to internal resistance. That is the other case. If NR is much more greater than R, or R is greater than much more greater than that R is much greater than capital R if you have taken, or R is much more greater than, you can NR we can neglect this capital R we can neglect, smaller one we can neglect. Therefore, I becomes equal to N times E by NR. So N cancels. Therefore, I is equals to E by R. That means this is just equal to the current due to the single cell. We have discussed about the maximum current from the single cell. This is equal to single cell maximum current. Means when short circuit current if you have taken, short circuit current single cell if you have taken, the I equal to E by smaller one, capital one will be there in this. This is smaller. So this is equivalent to the current due to a single cell, which is a short circuit current. This is equal to maximum current due to single cell. Maximum current due to single cell. In your houses, generally in the torch lights, in the radios, okay, cells are used. The cells they are nothing but high capital resistance cells. Smaller is very high for interest is high only, not very less. But we want more voltage there. What we prefer in that case is we connect them in series only in order. There are identical cells. All EMFs is 1.5 volts. Never put cells in reverse order in that. Some people will keep it without knowing, they will put in reverse. They don't do that. Always you keep them cells in the same order. So put in the same order, EMF is the same. Plus to minus you will be keeping. And total EMF becomes equal to any. This is a relation to apply for that cases. Capital is the resistance of the filament of the bulb or torchlight or circuit. If you are using the radio circuit, what you are using the device that will have the resistance, that is capital. Smaller is inside the cells. So this is a formula applicable for general cases. Most of the cases we follow this method. And in that special cases, the external resistance is very high if you have taken this compared to this NR. I equal to NE by R. This is what is applicable in that case of general cases. What we are using it. This is the principle we use. This and this relationship. Smaller is high only compared to that of the chargeable cells, but compared to external resistance, filament resistance, etc., this is next smaller. So in such cases, the approximation is this. Computing exams purpose, it is important. And for any cell, if you want to extract the maximum electric power is possible when internal resistance becomes equal to external resistance. For any cell, if you want to extract the maximum electric power, then in such cases we must take not maximum current actually, maximum electric power. Maximum current is what denominator should be minimum. Then only current will be maximum inside expressions. But power expression, power is nothing but equal to voltage into current or EMF into current we will take up. But that is equal to only for complex exams. I will tell you at the end there. And maximum current power extraction if you want to take means always remember smaller must be equal to capital. External resistance becomes equal to internal resistance. Both are equivalent means maximum power can be transferred from the cells to load. Load is nothing but external resistance. Power transmission. Okay. Next, what if in this case second case? What if any cell is reversing connected? N cells are connected in series. In that M cells are in reverse order. N cells are in series. M cells are in reverse order. So I will take the same condition. N cells are taken here. It is N cell. But for example, only one cell is reversed. Let us take one cell reversed. Okay. This E and E. This E plus E, but this becomes reverse now. Minus E becomes. Okay. So what happens? E minus E 0. That means one cell is reversed. Two cell EMF will be cancelled. If I take 3 cells, 2 cells reversed, all are identical cells. If 2 cells are reversed, then 2 and it damages the 2 of other one also. It cancels it. This is a plus 2 and minus 2 again you have to get. That means what? If n cells are reversed, 2n cells are EMF is cancelled. If one cell is reversed, 2 cell EMF is cancelled. That cell EMF is wasted and minus the other cell also EMF wasted. So 2 cells EMF is reversed, 4 cell EMF is cancelled. So if you take n cells in series, in that m cells are in reverse order, then you have to take 2m cells minus. Formula is same, resultant. Only resultant EMF terms you have to take care of this. Okay. So now we will take the cells reverse. This is also for the problems purpose. Theory exam also can be asked. PU theory exam also they may ask you the problems related to this. Let n identical cells or in series. Identical cells. This is a total values or in series with the m number of cells. M number of cells. N number of cells. M number of cells in the reverse order. So cancel EMF, you must take a 2m once. So what is the total EMF becomes is existing EMF, now useful EMF is nothing but equal to that NE, that is total EMF supposed to be minus 2m. So what happens is E equivalent becomes equal to NE is a total EMF supposed to be if they are in the order minus 2ME only. And but R equivalent is not reversed. Resistance should not take minus. Resistance should be taken on a plus only. Total is how much is N. N only you have to take. That means N into R only. So I becomes equal to R is external resistance. Then I becomes equal to E equivalent. This is a basic formula. Do not change. R plus R equivalent. That means current in the circuit becomes equal to I is equals to NE minus 2NE by R plus NR. E can take out now, that's not compulsory but your choice. I equal to E into N minus 2N by R plus NR is one cell in reverse or cancel EMF of 2 cells. EMF of 2 cells. This is a condition. Just take a diagram I will draw for this. Diagram not required. And the point you have to note when the maximum power from the circuit is possible, transfer from the cells to circuit is possible when internal resistance is equal to external resistance. That is the point you have to note. Next, we will take cells in parallel. This is 5 months. Cells in parallel. We take only 2 cells derivation. 5 months question, very important ones. Consider 2 1 minute. I think the time is less. I cannot derive that expression in this less time. I will give some example problem for this previous one. So this is the recap we will discuss in the next class. It takes more time for an explanation. We just take one example of this previous one. Cells in I series can identical cells each of EMF, 10 identical cells each of EMF 2 volt with the and internal resistance, internal resistance 1 ohm are in series to external resistance of R equal to 10 ohms. In this 10 cells, find the maximum current you want to find out. Okay, in that let us reverse some cells. Let us reverse 2 cells. Let 2 cells are in reverse order. Find the current in the circuit and potential difference across R. Answer: number of cells n equal to 10. So number of cells each EMF is equal to 2 volt. Each internal resistance R equal to 1 ohm. External resistance R is equals to 10 ohms. Number of cells reverse the number of cells, that is M. Symbol is not compulsory, picture NM, then the use 2 cells is 2. So equivalent EMF is E equivalent equal to NE minus 2NE reverse, and internal resistance R equivalent is 10 ohm. Current becomes equal to, in the circuit, I is equals to E equivalent by R plus R equivalent. I is equals to E equivalent is NE minus 2NE by R plus N. I is equals to, substitute the values, N is 10, EMF of each one is 2 volts minus 2 into 2 by 10 plus 10 into 1. Calculate this amperes. And voltage across the external resistance means I into 1. I am leaving this problem to you. You calculate it. I will tell you the answer in the next.